Hello everyone, this is Shriganesh Hegde and you are watching Know About Taxes. In this video, I would like to brief you about the late fees and penalties leviable on the late filing of the income tax return for the assessment year 2018-19, that is the financial year 2017-18, from the 1st of April 2017 to 31st of March 2018. So here we go. There has been some recent changes in the Income Tax Act under section number 234F to levy the maximum penalty of Rs 10,000 if you have filed the return of income after 31st December. So let us discuss the provisions. Those assessees whose total income exceeds 2,50,000 for the year has to file the income tax return mandatorily. For them, the due dates will be 31st July every year, but this year the due date has been extended till 31st August. So, if you haven't filed your return for this year, then this is the right time to file your return, because 5,000 penalty is levied for those who have filed after due date but before 31st December 2018. Remember, the penalty will be increased to 10,000 rupees if you have filed the return after 31st December. But if your income is less than 5 lakh rupees, there has been a concession. For those whose income is less than 5 lakh rupees, then the penalty or the late fee shall be only restricted to 1,000 rupees. So, if your total income is more than 5 lakh rupees, then the penalty shall be 5,000 up to 31st December and 10,000 if you have filed after 31st December. So, hurry up. In addition to the late fees under section number 234F, there is the interest under section number 234A. So, if you are liable to pay the taxes to the government and you haven't paid the taxes yet, then the interest at the rate of 1% per month or part of the month shall be levied on the tax amount. So, the interest will be levied under section number 234A, in addition to section number 234F, the late fees. In addition to all these, you cannot set off the losses for the year if you haven't filed the return by the due date. There is an exception. If you have losses under house property, then you can claim the losses or you can set off the losses in the future year's income even if you haven't filed the return by the due dates. So, make a plan to file your return to carry forward the losses. This is all about the late fee provisions, the penal provisions and the consequences if you have not filed the return. So, if you have not filed the return yet, please file your return to avoid the additional late fees. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also don't forget to subscribe my channel Know About Taxes for the future updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.